Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, if you're not in my Telegram group, then you're missing out. Because I've been sending signals these past 3 weeks, they've been all going into profits. If you're not in my Telegram group, make sure to join my Telegram group. The link is down below. So there are three trades that I did analysis on, and we're in the trades now. They're in profits now. So make sure to check the video so you can see what's going on. As if you remember correctly, I didn't do, I think, analysis on GPJPY because I wasn't seeing anything yesterday, but I did reanalyze it and I saw a reversal pattern. So I know the reversal pattern that we're going to the downside. So I waited for an entry. As you can see, this is a beautiful reversal pattern. Let me just make here. As you can see, first touch, then third touch. I didn't see this because I was looking for buy opportunities. It did hit my target if you saw my last week's analysis, but now we're in the trade. But if you didn't get in, no worries. We'll definitely get an entry. Might correct here, might correct, but it's on break even now. It's a free trade for me, so it might come and drop again, then starts to correct. So when it's correct, then that's when we'll get in a second entry if it doesn't take me out. But don't worry, we'll always get an entry on GBP So the other pair that we're gonna check now is gold. If you remember correctly, I did do analysis on gold, and it was somewhere here. If you remember correctly, when I did analyze it for you, it was somewhere here, knowing that we're going to the upside. So I bought here. That's somewhere here when I showed you my analysis. So I bought here because I saw that it has a momentum to the upside. So I did buy, and it hit TP within 2 hours. Within 2 hours, it did hit my TP. If you did see my analysis, definitely sure you went in, got some profit. So still waiting to see another pattern, so I might go in, but for now I'm not seeing any pattern, so I'm going to leave it as it is. But I just want to put a zone here. Just want to put the zone here just to see how it's going to play. This is gold. If you did see my analysis, definitely sure you also ate. So I just want to see, this is a strong zone as you can see, and it's on the 1 hour. So I just want to see how it's going to play. But definitely if a pattern comes, then that's when I'll go in. But for now, I'm not going in on gold. Just have to wait for it and see how it goes. So the other pair that we're gonna check now is AUD CAD. With AUD CAD, I haven't gotten an entry yet. Still waiting for an entry on AUD CAD. Still waiting for an entry on AUD CAD. As you can see here, thought maybe it's going to reject when it comes to the zone, but it didn't do so. But I'll wait for it. Let me just go down to the 4 hour time frame. I'll just wait for a pattern. I'll wait for a pattern in order for me to get in this trade, because if you remember, the target is on the daily time frame. We did the target and shows us it's on the daily time frame. So I'm just waiting for a pattern. Just waiting for a pattern in order for me to go in. Just waiting for a continuation pattern, something like this, and that's when I'll go in. For something like this, it moves like this, then that's when I know definitely get an entry. So I'll be patient. I'll be, I'll be patient for it. So even if I don't get an entry this week, there's still an opportunity. Next week I'll get an entry on it, but I'll wait for it patiently because I always wait for my entries. I always wait for my entries. I don't just see a pattern then I go in. No, I wait for it until it comes, and then that's where I go in the trade. So I'm waiting for a pattern also on AUD CAD. So when I get a pattern, that's when I will definitely go in. But for now, I'm still waiting patiently. So the last pair that we're going to check is CHFJPY. So if you're in my signal group, definitely show you got the signal. If you're in my signal group, if not, make sure to join my signal group, guys, so you can get some entries, get some signals, and get some setups just to see how I do it. So I did send the signal, I think it was in the morning. So still in the trade, but we did lock profits. So but our target is gonna be here. But if you didn't get in, don't worry guys, we'll definitely get an entry. We'll get an entry of this pair. So I think the risk ratio here is 1:7. It's actually 1:8, but we can say it's 1:7. But definitely we're going to each here on this pair. So we're gonna wait for it, guys. We're gonna wait for it. We're gonna wait for it to do a continuation pattern. Moves, then we go in, then we go down with it also if you didn't get an entry. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy your day.